Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Despite the ongoing security operations in Montego Bay, patrons are assured that they will be safe at this year's staging of Red Stripe Reggae Sumfest in Montego Bay. CEO of Down Sound Entertainment, Joseph Bogdanovich, made this assertion whilst speaking at their media rep session today at their headquarters.
The way we protect everybody is by bringing beautiful reggae and dancehall music. I don't think it's a concern. It's never been a problem at Reggae Sumfest. It's the 26th year, so we're good.
Further mention was made of the new events added to the Reggae Sumfest calendar.
A lot of diversity, a whole lot of fun. There's just so much time. I mean, the World Clash, 20 years celebrating Irish and Chin is going to be a historical. The Blitz at the Hard Rock Cafe with Stefflon Don and Safari is going to be like, I mean, major.
Patrons can also look forward to a reggae mall as outlined by marketing consultant Maxine McDonough.
What we realize is that we have so much really fabulous, genuine, original stuff, artists, ceramicists, all kinds of people who do wonderful things here. And we think Sumfest, in addition to offering wonderful music and dance and everything else, we should embrace the rest of our culture. We decided to put some more attention to the mall and actually develop something that everybody could be proud of and that we could feature.
Senior producer at Down Sound Entertainment, Scatter Burrell, made mention of innovative marketing strategies being used to market Reggae Sumfest.
Strategies that have been applied different places in the world, but not as far as a reggae concert, right? So we have to find different creative ways of getting this out there and to bring in a new audience. And it creates the type of visibility that is needed as well.
Scatter also highlighted how the Big Bus competition will give a platform to upcoming artists.
What more can you do in bringing the young talent to the table and investing in them and just giving them that assurance that they're there for them. And I think it's a great move by Red Stripe, and DSC Down Sound Records has joined with them now that we're going to say invest a lot more time right after the show to do follow-ups and to make check and ensure that maybe we can see them on a bigger platform.
Delicious Vinyl is taking a giant stride forward in 2018 with the launch of Delicious Vinyl Island, which specializes in Caribbean sounds. Natural High Music's Reap What You Sow, featuring up-and-coming Jamaican singer and rapper Royal Blue, is the first release on Delicious Vinyl Island and is the lead single from Natural High's upcoming Urban Roots LP due later this year. Upcoming releases on the label include No Fenke Fenke, a track from reggae roots selector Yardcore featuring Kabaka Pyramid and Shanique Myrie. Global platform for Caribbean music, arts and culture Large Up is adding record distribution to its operations. The first release from Large Up's record label is dancehall star Busy Signal's latest single, High Like a Plane. Large Up has also been working with living reggae music legend Lee Scratchberry. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.